RocketLink. This improves the CTR and decreases the CPC of campaigns because people who are interested in consuming targeted content are more qualified than cold leads. With better attention from potential customers, more leads can be generated for a company's campaign. RocketLink awards are as follows. First, top 20 fastest growing software. Second, top 20 most popular software. RocketLink features. First, link branding. A shorter version of a URL you want to share online built around a brand name or related term. Second, URL shortening. URL shortening is the translation of a long uniform resource locator into an abbreviated alternative that redirects to the longer URL. Third, link retargeting. It allows you to pixel your audience and serves them ads at a later time. 4. UTM builder. Urchin tracking module is a simple code that can be attached to any URL to generate Google Analytics data for digital campaigns. Pros. First, unlimited clicks. Second, custom domains. Third, retarget using pixels and UTM tags. 4. Retarget with QR code and pixels. 5. Add call to actions overlays to links. Cons. Limited pixels. There are several pricing plans for RocketLink are as follows. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Digital Marketing Tools. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram.